issued severe thunderstorm watch number 352, effective until midnight Pacific Daylight Time Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties: in Idaho, Benoit, Bunner, Boundary, Clearwater, Idaho, Kootenai, Latah, Lewis, Nez Perce, Shoshone, and the following counties: in Washington, Asleton, Garfield, Pend Oreille, Spokane, Stevens, and Whitman, and the following counties: in Montana, Lincoln, and Sanders. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 352 has been issued until midnight Pacific Daylight Time Tuesday for the following counties: in Idaho, Benoit, Bunner, Boundary, Clearwater, Idaho, Kootenai, Latah, Lewis, Nez Perce, Shoshone, and the following counties: in Washington, Asleton, Garfield, Pend Oreille, Spokane, Stevens, and Whitman, and the following counties: in Montana, Lincoln, and Sanders.